Hello, and welcome to Leon's Lockpad, and welcome to Sunday. Even though it is Stock Lock Sunday, I will be doing a Stock Lock, because I was looking for something fairly decent, something I've picked in a while. I'm going to have a go at this Ruko cylinder. It's a very weighty thing. I do love Rukos, but I do like this. There's your bitting. It's not super exciting. Show the key. Oh, there you go. Ruko, made in Denmark. And typical Ruko, it works flawlessly. Absolutely super silky smooth. Whether I'm going to get it open, I'm not sure, but hopefully I will. I hope everybody's doing well on this Sunday. What are we on? 5 to 3 in the UK. Going to use a pry bar in the top, and I'm going to use a short hook. And let's see if we can get in it. I got a little bit of a turn of the corner. I don't know if it was just me or... Oh, got a nice click off one. I think I've just lost everything then. I'll have to go for a reset. It's really weird, this. It's yeah, a nice click then, but the all the pins feel the same. Finding that binder. I have to go for another reset. Oh, got a little bit of a turn again then. Big fingers in the way. Oh, we're open. There we go. Wow. Do apologise, I nearly choked. I was shocked it opened. There you go, it opens. Right. Let's get all the stuff out. No, I've not been prepared today. It's been a very, very busy day. Normally I'll get everything out ready for us to go. Right. Oh, you mother chunky biscuit. I had to do it, didn't I? I had to go and stab myself. There we go. It happens. Don't like this back one. This is too bendy. Are we on zoom there? Sorry. To unzoom you out. I'm not bothered though, looking straighten this thing out. But yeah, I'm not a fan of these things. I prefer the spring-loaded ones. Spring steel ones. Ooh. No, Give me a second. I'm going to have to shim. Normally you don't have to shim a stock lock, but I don't trust them not dropping. If you can see that is a really large gap. Normally you don't get that problem, but I don't fancy I'm still catching, as it can happen. I've done it with a stock lock before. I'll turn that to the side. Let's get that in there. There we go. Let's get our follower. Push it through. Roll the way through. Yes. Let's see what we've got. As you can see, everything had to be picked. Standard. Standard in 2, standard in 3, standard in 4, standard in 5. They are tapered though. Obviously nothing, the core hasn't had anything done to it. Wow, look at the gap in that. That's a fat core for that. I have to do this careful. There you go, yeah. We got ASA, we got barrel pins. They're all going to be the same, definitely, as you can see. I'll show you in a second. And all the springs, I'm not going to wait for the springs to come. I'll do them last. Ooh, we've got a short one there. And a long one. And last but not least, we have another short one. I know for a fact that all these springs, because it ain't a challenge lock. And I have to, ooh, look at that. I have to say, William, my friend, that's William Mansell. I've been really enjoying your little cat pantomimes. They're great fun, mate. Even me, I've even had my 2-year-old watching it. She finds it cool. Oh, really enjoying, mate. There's the pins. As you can see, they're let's turn them around. They are all tapered at the end, but they're all standard. And then we've got these barrel pins, all different. First time I've actually, you know, normally they're pretty much the same sizes. A lot of locks I've picked, but this time they are practically all different except for these two. That is very cool. And standard springs. So yeah, that was a fun Ruko. Not picked one of them for a while. I hope everybody enjoyed that. I always find it interesting. But yeah, so thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great Sunday and bye. Don't forget to like.